Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of Rainbow Man Garage. Today we are going to be putting on racing stripes on our Ford Fusion. The hardest part about this is taping it off and masking everything down so you don't get a bunch of overspray and stuff. This took us about half a day, so hopefully we get done before it gets dark. This is what our first layer looks like. Okay, so the only real advice I can give you on this to make it a little less of a pain in the butt for everybody, whenever you start to peel the tape off, have like a credit card or like something with a flat plastic edge on it and press it against like right here whenever you start pulling the tape up, and then it won't tear because we use Plastidip, so it's a rubber coating, so it'll tear real easy. So we are back at it again today. We did not finish it yesterday. This is how far we got. We got the roof, we got the hood. I think it's looking pretty awesome. It looks like a completely different car now. It's been about a month or so since I've seen y'all or talked to y'all or done any kind of videos or anything. I had to have a triple fusion in my spine. They fused C6, C5, C6, C7. My post-op appointment for the doctor is tomorrow. I've regained just about all the feeling in my arms and legs, and I could walk a lot better now. The only thing is that sucks is pretty much this, but who knows? It'll get to come off soon. And I just want to give a big shout out to everybody. Thank you for watching, liking, and subscribing to the channel. Here before too long, I'll be able to start lifting and doing a lot more stuff than what I can now. I'm only limited at about 4 pounds, so spray painting racing stripes on the car was probably one of the easiest things I could have done. Thanks for tuning in, y'all. We'll see you next time.